Betco's FastDraw dilution control system offers a full range of high-performing chemical products and dispenser options to meet the needs of any facility, while reducing cleaning costs by up to 30%. Combine over 40 professional concentrated cleaners, degreasers, odor control products, and disinfectants with safe, lower-cost, precise dilution for enhanced cleanliness. Betco's innovative FastDraw systems are simple to use. One bottle fits up to 4 dispenser types and utilizes both number and color coding for quick reference and matching with properly labeled RTU containers. Betco's FastDraw dilution control system ensures facilities achieve consistent cleaning results day after day with minimal training, while also maintaining budgets and employee safety. To learn more about FastDraw and other innovative, simple, and versatile dilution control options from Betco, call 888-GO-BETCO. Contact your local Betco representative or visit www.betco.com today.